Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the color theme in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app, and here it usually opens up in the chats where we have our conversations. From here we just swipe to the right, tap on settings, and in settings we scroll down a bit and tap on chat settings. Here in this section we find color theme, and we can select different kinds of color themes from here. There's a little animation going on after we select it, and yeah, it just applies like right then and there. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.